Real world assets. What are they and what are they going to do for us and the future of our digital realm? Well, the way that we see money is about to change. The way that we see property and assets is about to change. And that's what real world assets are all about. So make sure to stay tuned right to the very end of this video. In this video, I'm going to show you one crazy crypto project I have been talking about on my channel for a very long time, like two and a half years now. And now is the time for this project to shine throughout this time. Make sure you are subscribed to the Crypto Bliss channel. Welcome back. I'm Kiara Ducasse. Thank you for being here, you beautiful, benevolent souls. Guys, trade with me down, hitting my links down, pinned in the comments below. And you can use my Bybit or my Bitflex links and go ahead and get this. This particular coin, you can buy it from PancakeSwap or the Binance Smart Chain, and you can actually get it on your Trezor Wallet. So I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video. I've shown you in other videos, which I will leave up in the cards about for you guys. But this coin is a massive potential, and you do not want to miss out because they're still cheap as chips. This coin is called Landshare, guys. Currently ranked at 1,456. Landshare's got a beautiful token logo. It looks like permaculture almost. Its name is Landshare. Its ticker is LAND. It's currently at $1.46. It's up 5% for the day, 5.4% against BTC, 5.4% against BNB. It's only on nearly 30,000 people's watch list, which is great. The market cap, since I've last spoken about it, has actually come down, even though the price has gone up, which is very interesting. But essentially, they have a fully diluted valuation of about 5.6 million, and fully trading volume of about 57,000, which is about 1% of the market cap, which is not bad. The maximum supply is 10 million. And on top of it, this coin actually burns itself. And we'll talk about that in a little bit over a moment. But the total supply is 3,850,000. Circulating is about the same. You guys can see this coin hit a $12 price, $12.20 price. We're down 88% from that price, but we're up 250% from the all-time lows of this coin at 41.9 cents, 42 cents. And we're up 250%, guys. That's pretty darn freaking decent. And guess what? We've only blipped this chart, which hasn't done anything. So if you were to spend $10, you get 6.9 points. I'm going to show you how you can become a millionaire with Landshare in this video. So make sure to stay tuned right to the very end, because you're going to want to know, because it's going to be super easy. We'll get a couple of these and I'll tell you what to do, just as I've done it, just as I've got my brother to do it, just as I've got some other people to do it. But this is $100 will give you 69 coins. $1,000 will give you 690 coins. $10,000 will give you about 6,900 coins. Now bear that in mind when I tell you that the maximum supply is half of what Bitcoin is, plus the total supply is less. What do you think this coin is going to do, guys? I think this coin could absolutely pump in its value into the future. We are cheapest chips right now on this coin. Make no mistake. What is Landshare exactly? Well, it's bringing real estate to the blockchain, investing in tokenized real estate assets directly on Binance Smart Chain for as little as $50. You can check out all their social medias here. I've been speaking about this project for a long time. So shout out to the Landshare community, guys. I will tag you in the video. You can launch the app. You can buy the token. Let's go and look at what real world assets are before I come onto this. Otherwise, you may not understand this. So let's start off with Polymesh. And I'll tell you a bit about Polymesh when we look at their Twitter page. But Polymesh is real world assets, the digital asset fueling the frictionless future of decentralized finance. The tokenization of real world assets is galvanizing new opportunities for investment yield in DeFi while unlocking liquidity in traditional illiquid asset classes. So what are they? We'll have a look. So types of real world assets are real estate, loans, contracts, invoices, royalties, guarantees, commodities, and fine art. And how are real world assets used in DeFi? So, in fact, over 800 trillion USD in traditional markets is poised to be disrupted by blockchain. 800 trillion. Did you hear what I just said? 800 trillion. Okay, guys. Now, bearing in mind that I'm just doing a small video on this project, which is 5.6 million. and we're talking about hundreds of trillions, okay? 800 trillion to be exact. That's mad, guys. So in this video, don't be surprised when I give you crazy outcomes on this project, because I believe that this could scoop up itself at least 1% of this number. Okay. I believe that, but we'll be modest and we'll have a look at something. And that's how you can become an absolute billionaire holder of Landshare. Let's go and have a look at this, guys. So, maybe Landshare could make billionaires instead of millionaires. Who knows? But you can see here, in fact, over 800 trillion USD in traditional markets is poised. Bringing real-world assets on-chain into the DeFi ecosystem results in unique collateral or investment opportunities, market efficiencies, and access to liquidity that can't be found in traditional markets. With real-world assets tokenization, businesses can leverage the DeFi ecosystem for capital and benefit from lower barrier to entry, as well as new means for financing that would be otherwise be impossible to prohibitively expensive, especially for emerging markets. Meanwhile, the DeFi ecosystem gains new opportunities for investment yield, access to diverse off-chain markets, and widening customer base finance. So 1 trillion digital assets market, okay, is what the entire crypto space is worth today, just by the way. And we're saying 800 trillion in real world assets to be tokenized. Holy fucking shit, guys. Wow. Okay, so what are real world assets in a takeaway? It's a cross between DeFi and TradFi, helping both of them basically explode. And then the same thing here. Very, very simple. I'm not going to read all of this because basically you guys can see here, but basically it's the tokenization process, because this is here. What are tokenized real world assets? So in other words, we want to tokenize everything that I was just speaking about with you up here and bring it into the real world asset, asset identification, evaluation, legal and regulatory compliance, filing and storage, creation of smart contracts, blockchain, platform selection, token creation, ownership record, custody solutions, data sharing, exchange and marketplace, access and liquidity. Guys, the tokenization process as it relates to the digital asset ecosystem is a tokenization process, is an issuer, smart contract, and an investor. A digital asset ecosystem is the blockchains, scaling solutions of Oracle networks, and then L3 decentralized Web3 applications, which is coming in fucking fast. Okay, huge. What does it mean for the real world, guys? Well, let's just say that it will allow fast, efficient 24/7 trading of items that traditionally could only be done during working hours. In other words, that lowers the cost by removing the middlemen like lawyers, brokers, banks, etc., because it's all run by Web3 and AI. Okay, let's draw back. Let's get to our actual beautiful cryptocurrency that we've been talking about for a very long time. I'm not going to go too deep into it. I will just show you briefly the app, but basically let's go and have a little bit of a look. So it's been on Bloomberg, Yahoo, Business Insider, Binance. Real estate meets DeFi. So Landshare turns real world properties into asset-backed, yield-bearing, and fully tradable asset tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. Invest in real estate for as little as $50 and benefit from property appreciation and monthly rental income sent directly to your wallet each month. So you can browse the property, make your investment, relax, and earn passive income. On this protocol, yes, they do burn. So you can see here. Okay, let's go right to the beginning here. There's the first one. Okay, so governance. They have governance. They have staking. You can use it for payments. There's burn. There's burns that happen. There's an NFT ecosystem. There's land protocol. There's governance. And essentially all of these things bringing in all of the tokenomics of this coin, which they basically have a circulating supply of 4.3 million, a supply cap of 9.976 million, and a market cap of 6.34 million with a token price of there. So you can elevate your real estate investment with Landshare, and you could basically be a real estate investment of $10,000 in 1990 would be worth over 36,600 today, but utilizing Landshare's auto compounding technology, that same investment would be worth over $300,000 today. So you can go and check that. Auto compounding, real estate, NFTs, asset loans. You can see these are the current properties. You can get a cash return of $7.67. You can invest now, and you can basically go ahead and add all of this to the blockchain. Why real estate? With real estate, investors can enjoy predictable cash flow, excellent returns year-on-year, growth factor, and diversification. This is the asset class. Look at everything, and plus you earn 17%. So inflation again, inflation hedge, low volatility, monthly passive income, property appreciation, tangible asset, auto compounding, and an annual return. With stocks, REITs, bonds, gold, CDs, you get fuck all of that, and the highest you can get is 10% over here. And look at the, I mean, you only really get it, it's an inflation hedge, that's all. Okay, that's it, guys. With Landshare, you can go and stake in the Land Vault or the Land BNB Vault. I've got both. You can go and check out the tokenized assets, which are properties for sale, including pictures, financials, and returns and estimates. Dashboard, NFTs, DSC swap, Landshare. This is one of the actual properties, or there's lots of the properties, but they've got a Landshare DAO, decentralized autonomous swap. They've got a decentralized exchange. You can view the properties and go and check them out on social media, guys. So this is the vault and the dashboard. You can go and check and manage all of your stuff there. I'm not going to show you that because that's personal information, but you'll just connect your wallet here, and you can go and use any of the stuff over here. Okay. So very, very simple. Landshare. I want to go and show you a few things about Landshare, guys, because I'm going to scare the shit out of you by giving you all of this information, because this project deserves a lot of attention from you right now. And if you're not paying attention to this project, guys, then I'm sorry, you will be missing out. On Twitter, they only have 52,000 followers. This project is new and very few people know about it, but lots of people are starting to talk about it because the marketing is getting out there from Landshare now, bringing real estate value on chain. Okay, so basically, if you guys can go over here and see, this is one of the craziest things that I have to share with you. So basically, you can see over here that Chainlink and Landshare have basically partnered up. Okay, so we're excited to integrate with Chainlink Solutions. Did you hear that? With Chainlink, one of the biggest oracles in the crypto space. In fact, it is the biggest oracle. This integration empowers our smart contracts to consistently store the latest prices of the properties, ensuring real-time accuracy and further closing the gap between real-world assets and the blockchain. We've built a system where the estimated values of each property are aggregated and seamlessly bought on-chain using any API and Chainlink automation. Leveraging Chainlink Solutions ensures that real-world assets-backed token looks and feels any other way on the any other token on the blockchain, focusing on ease of use, integration with DeFi, healthy liquidity, and additional utilities. That is massive, 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 massive for both Chainlink and Landshare, actually. Now, if you look at Landshare, you can see here that this is, they've basically done a token LSRAW, which is Landshare Real World Assets. And basically, it's unlike USD stablecoins. It is transparently backed by one-to-one real-world assets and can grow in value over time. So the asset-backed nature of real-world asset tokens means they are not just subject to the wild swings commonly seen in the crypto space. In this way, real-world asset can offer a token. You want to be part of it, register on the dashboard, and complete KYC process to participate in the main sale scheduled for the 18th of December, which is in 3 days' time. So, guys, I will definitely be joining that, and I will be making sure that I am buying this coin and this LSRAW, guys. This is fucking huge. Now, if we go and look at Morales Money gives the security score an 89. It's got a rating of 2.5, but it's only one rating. And as you can see here, the net experienced buyers are increasing by 3, buying pressure 7K, 7.2K, holders 27, liquidity is down a little bit. You can see the price is currently falling down just a little bit. That's not a problem. But if you look at the security here from the DEX tools, they get it gets a 99%. So guys, all in all, this is a crazy project. And if you look at the charts where we were up there, okay, which is actually all the way up there, look at how we have broken out of my downsloping trend over here with great immense volume on these two candles, just by the way. And look how we broke out of it, and we're currently retesting, guys. This is literally about to absolutely break out right now and create insane volumes of buy. Now, for me, guys, I can tell you right now, if you were to own a small bag of this, you would become a millionaire in the future. And if you own a reasonably decent bag of this, I think you could become a billionaire. And I'm going to show you how right now. Okay. But before I do that, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and that you have liked this video and that you are going to share this with your friends and your family, because I don't just sit here doing these videos for my health. I'm sitting here giving you guys the strongest alpha content you guys could get in this bull cycle. Okay, Landshare is currently down 56% this year in from all the way up here at $4, guys. That's not a problem. So let's go and see, guys. Didn't I just say to you that Landshare actually has a, let's go and see this, a market cap of $6.3 million right now. Okay, so market cap there says $5.3 million. Okay, I'm okay with that. Did you just see that? $5.6 million. So if we were to just hit even a $100 million market cap on this coin. I'm going to give you guys scenarios. A $100 million market cap on this coin will give you a $26 Landshare price with a 17x. If you were to hit a $1 billion market cap on this coin, which is going to be fucking easy, okay, will give you a $260 price on this coin and 177x gain. Guys, I think this coin can go way higher than this. Like I said to you, I think it can go much, much higher. And I'm going to go absolutely extreme with you right now. If we were to hit $10 billion out of the total $800 trillion that we're talking about that could potentially come into the real world asset space, okay, we're talking crazy, crazy money coming into this space. And here we're just asking for 10 billion of that. $10 billion would give us a $2,600 price on this coin with a 1,778x. If we were to hit a $100 billion market cap, which is still small, so small for this, this would give us a $26,000 Landshare. Okay, do you see why I said to you that I'm not comparing it to Bitcoin, but this is going to hold the value of real world assets. And we're talking about property, and I mean, property is worth way more than this. Property is worth hundreds of trillions of dollars too. And we're talking about 800 to 900, maybe even $1 quadrillion coming into the space, guys. $100 billion coming into Landshare is going to be like a little, I don't know, 1 pea in a pot instead of a whole bunch of peas in a pot, guys. This is going to be the biggest gem you could absolutely insanely imagine. Now, guys, I'm going to go absolutely ridiculous, okay? Because I want to show you, in order to become a millionaire with Landshare, and I'm going to just use this current market cap of $100 billion, okay? How much coins would you need to become just a single unit millionaire, okay? 7-digit millionaire, okay? $1 million divided by 20. I'm going to just give you the $26,000. You would need 38 fucking coins, okay? Which will cost you, okay? Today will cost you $54. Do you want to take $54 and convert it into $1 million, guys? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is how you become part of the mega elite in the crypto space, okay? And I want to be so bold as to just actually say to you, cool, if I wanted to become a billionaire, okay, and own, and literally I would just have $1 billion, okay? And out of this entire pool here, okay, I would have $1 billion, okay? My $1 billion, okay, there's my $1 billion, divided by $26,000 per coin, I would need 38,461 coins. So in order, 38,461 coins, you would need to spend $55,000 to become a billionaire. Come on, guys. Seriously. Okay. And we're just getting started on this coin. Okay. I believe that we could easily hit a $1 trillion market cap on this coin, guys. Easily. Okay. And I wouldn't say it's going to be in the next 1 year, but I would say it's probably going to be sometime between 2028 and 2033, sometime in that cycle, where I believe Landshare could possibly hit these numbers. Now, this is absolute speculation, guys, but I can see you know where I'm heading at with this video. So if you enjoying it so far, subscribe to the channel, like the video, please, guys. I'm almost done here. But if this hit a $1 trillion market cap, we would see a $260,000 Landshare, giving us a 177,800x. Now, I want to show you something, one of the craziest parts of this entire video that I'm about to show you. Because if you wanted to become a millionaire with this coin, divide that by 260,000, okay, you would literally need 3.8 coins. Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see what it is that I'm saying? If you wanted to become a billionaire and you had the time and the patience to wait, divided by 260,000, okay, you would need 3,846 coins to become a billionaire. Now, guys, I don't know about you, but I've invested heavily into this project. I will continue to buy into this project. And now that I've even done this video for you guys again, and what I said there is that I would expect at least $1 trillion, because property is and real estate is the biggest. And I wouldn't be surprised if Landshare started to basically deploy the contracts of land, invoicing of land, loans against land, royalties, or the passive income of land, guarantees on properties, the other commodities, and maybe fine art in the digital land space. Anything could happen, and this could all happen on Landshare, guys. I think Landshare is one of the craziest ecosystems in the crypto space, and it is still the beginning of this coin, especially with it being ranked 1,456, guys. I'm talking to you guys, and I said to you, perhaps we invoke 8% of that, 1% of that entire 8 trillion. I don't know. I'm just saying so. Maybe this is one of the coins that does survive. Maybe it's not, but it's $55 to become a millionaire. It's worth the risk, guys. It's way worth the risk. So if we were to hit an $8 trillion market cap, we would literally be at a $2 million coin, which would mean that you would literally need, so I'm going to do this actually pretty accurately for you on this particular one, divided by 1 million. Okay, you would literally need 2 coins. Two. Did you hear what I said? 2. What would 2 coins cost you today? 2 coins would cost you $3. I'm pretty freaking confident you can afford $3 here watching this channel, guys. All right. That would give us a 1,428x. Guys, where else have we seen this happen? Well, guess what? We've seen this happen in Shiba Inu. Although Shiba Inu didn't reach an $8 trillion market cap. And with the Fed printing, like if you're watching my videos, my channels on how the Fed is currently printing, guys, this is unstoppable. That $800 trillion is going to easily double, if not quadruple, by the time 28 to 2033 comes, no problem. And I'm just asking for 8 trillion to come into Landshare, guys. 8 trillion into Landshare. I mean, even if we just did 800 billion, guys, I'd be super happy. Even if we did 80 billion, okay, I would still be super happy on buying a coin at $1.46 and selling it for 21 fucking thousand, guys. Love you all. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know down in the comments below. I hope you own Landshare.